Hey guys, RCT3 Crashes 100 here, and I am back with a clean install of Windows XP. Now, most of you will remember from Windows XP, Microsoft's worst version of Internet Explorer, as some people call it, being IE6. Now, obviously, IE6 has been unsupported with the death, quote-unquote, of Windows XP last April. So, in this video, we are going to try loading a few websites on this old browser and see what the results are. This will probably be a fairly short video, as I will do quite a bit of jump cutting to edit out the loading times. Now, the first website we are going to go to is a website which relies mostly on text, being Wikipedia. As you can see, not even MSN works on here anymore as well as it should have done. I mean, in general, the majority of them appear to work fine. However, I'm pretty sure that there's a lot of coding behind this which is broken. 4 minutes in after I entered the address, it is still loading. Turns out that it isn't even working. It's just hanging at halfway done, so even Wikipedia does not like Internet Explorer 6. Whether that's a problem with my install of Microsoft Windows XP, or this install of IE6, I do not know. So we're going to just give it a rest and go for a different website, being vgmusic.com. Brilliant website for MIDI files. And instantly you can see that it's already getting there a lot faster. This website, although it's constantly being maintained, it hasn't been changed majorly since it was built, which was back in 1996, the year of my birth. So that's that. We are now going to get a new desktop background. As you can see, Google loads very quickly because it's a pretty simple search engine. We are going to enter in... Let me think, what desktop background might we like? Why not? Let's see what we get. As you can see, it's working very well. We're going to do a variant of Bliss. Let me just see if I can find one. I'm just showing you as I'm scrolling through that it seems to be working at a very decent rate. Although obviously it's not got any of the fancy HTML5 features which Google has now implemented. I'm just going to navigate through a few pages to show you how quickly it loads up. Let's use this one, which is from the Home Premium, I think, or Home Pro or something. It's one of those. Now, as you can see, this is where it begins to slow down. So, I'm going to do a jump cut when it successfully loads. Oh, there we go, never mind. Let's do OK. So now, this is going to show you how slowly this will do its job. There we go, now these images should begin to load. OK. There is the one we want. That's a different one, but I guess it'll do. So right click. We're going to want to let this load, which it's doing a good job of. And then we're going to... Oh, it's not quite done. Oh no, this isn't what we're looking for. We're not running XP, we're not running Vista, we're running XP. Here it is. Right, there we go. That's loaded up very quickly. Now let's set this wallpaper for Windows XP Home Edition as the background. And minimise, and there you go. Works completely fine. The next website we are going to look up is none other than YouTube. We're not going to load any videos, obviously, because this doesn't work, but obviously because they've simply put in a page saying, oh, you can't use this browser, please go get a better one, it loads up perfectly fine, ironically. Now, we are now going to try and get to Wikipedia again, this time going through google.com. Now, here we go. So, let's see how Google handles this. Okay, unfortunately it's doing exactly the same thing where it hangs. So again, Wikipedia is not an option. Finally, we are going to navigate to Hunter's Pad's Bonzibuddy domain, which is, as you all know, a website which, the mirror of, at least this is a mirror of a website which first appeared in the late 90s. Again, we're going to have to do this through google.com. Still trying to load up the graphics, there we go. And as you can see, because this is mostly just a single page with a few images on it, works completely fine. And I think on that note, this would be a good time to end this video. I'm RCT3 Crashes 100. This has been a video on testing websites out on Internet Explorer 6 in 2015. And yeah, I'm RCT3 Crashes 100, over and out.